Hello everyone and welcome back to Notes Naka. Today is day 7 of the lead coding challenge, and for today's problem we'll have to find out the cousins in binary tree. Now what will be given in this problem is a binary tree, and we have to find, and two pairs will also be given, x and y, and we have to find out if x and y are cousins in the binary tree or not. What cousins mean is they have to be on the same level, but their parents cannot be same. Only then they will be known as cousins. So let's check out how this problem should be solved. For today's question, we will be given a pair and we have to find out if the pair is a cousin in a given binary tree or not. What a cousin means is that both of the numbers should be on the same level, but their parents cannot be same. Like for 2 and 3, they have the same parent even though they are on the same level. So they are siblings but they are not cousins. In this case, we have 4 and 9 on the same level, but their parents are different, so they are cousins. For 3 and 4, we can see they are not in the same level, so they cannot be cousins at all. Now to solve this problem, there are two approaches. We can use hashing, where we store the level and the parent of the given node in a hash map, and then retype through it and find out the pair which is cousin. But for this video we are going to use depth first search, that because it will save us some space as hashing will take extra space. So for depth first search, what we have to do is we will traverse through the tree, and as we traverse through the tree we will find out if they are on the same level and if their parents are same or not. So for that we will initialize some parameters and then check their values as we are traversing through the tree, and that can be clear from the code. So let's check out the code now. So now for the code, what I have done is first in the main function, that is the is cousins function, what we have done is initialize some parameters, level x, level y, parent of x and parent of y. Now level x can, if it is -1, that means it is not even in the binary tree. So we have initialized it to -1. And parent of x is 0 and parent of y is 0. At the end we will have to check them. Then I have made a function where I pass all of these parameters along with a 0 value, and this 0 value is the level which we will be updating as we check the values. So in the check function, if the root is null, then we have to return it. And if the root of left is not null, we will first check the left part of the tree and then the right part of the tree. For the left part, if left is not null and left value is equal to x, then parent of x becomes the value of the root, and the level of x is updated to level plus 1. Now level here is, in the first pass we have passed 0, and while we recursively call it for the other levels, we will pass level plus 1. So this will update the level of the x value. And if root of left of value is not equal to x, it might be equal to y. So we have checked y as well over here. And then after that we have went to the right part of the tree. In the right part also we have checked the same conditions and updated the same values. Now this function is to stop the recursion, so that if we already found a cousin, then we will not traverse lower down in the tree. So for this one, if level of x is not equal to -1 and level of y is also not equal to -1, that means x and y are already found. Then we will return, and then after returning we will check if level of x is equal to level of y or not. If they are equal, that means they are on the same level, and parent of x is not equal to parent of y. If they are same, then they cannot be cousin, but if they are different, that means they are cousin. And if they satisfy both of these conditions, then that means they are cousins, and then we return the value true. And After this step, what we have recursively checked it in the left subtree and in the right subtree to find out these values. So this is how this problem has been solved. If we run the code, we can see it's true and I've already submitted, but if I submit it again, then you can see it's accepted. So this is how this problem is done. I hope you liked what you saw today. And if you did, then do give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and also leave down a comment and if you have some feedback about our channel. And thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.